In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook page in under a minute. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the Facebook app and tapping on the menu icon down in the bottom right corner on an iPhone, or if you're on an Android, it's going to be in the top right. From here, scroll down and you're going to see an option to see more. Select see more, and then if you scroll down a little bit further, you're going to see a pages option. Select that. From here, go ahead and tap create up in the top left and choose either a personal page or a public page, which is going to be a business page. In my case, I'm going to use this public page right here, but hit next on that and give the page a name. So let's just call this Just Boz page, just like so. Hit done and then hit next, just like so. After doing so, you'll have the opportunity to add a category to it, and you're going to want to put this as something that the page is actually about. For example, if this was about a musician or band, I could put it on that, or in this case, I could say it is for a digital creator, just like so, and then hit create, and you would now have successfully created a page. Now, once it does load, you'll have the opportunity to add a bio as well as add contact info. You could also add a public profile photo and a cover image, and you could also invite friends to join your page as well. In this case, I'm just going to skip through all of that right now. And boom, as you can see, we now have a page set up. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if you do have any questions, you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.